So hello everyone. Today we will learn match function in Microsoft Excel. And so here is the theory, like the match function searches for a specified value within a range and return its relative position. So in match function, to find the position of the value is known to us. Like we know like Rohit, Kohli, Root or Smith, and we want to like find the position of that player. Okay, so this one I have already done, and here you can practice. Let me do it here. Like first rather than taking manually, like writing Kohli, Rohit, Root, Smith and Warner, what we can use here is use data validation. So I will select the data tab. Select like this, go to data tab, data validation, list, and in source we will select the column for which we want the list, and okay. So we got the list, and suppose we want to know the row position of Rohit. So here we can write equal to match parenthesis lookup value is Rohit, comma the array, then comma we have to give like exact match. We want the exact match. If you want to give approximate match, then you can give less than or greater than, but mostly we will use exact match. So the position is 2, 1 2, yes. And so let me do one more for you. Like we want to get the data validation, data tab, data validation, go to list, source, we'll select this match, then okay. So we got this data validation. You can select anything, and this is I have done the same way. Match, the lookup value, lookup array, and the type of match, and we got the position 7th, 121, 7th position. This is for the column. We have taken like transpose of this same table, player matches and runs, and now for the column we want to know the column position of Williamson. So column position is like you can go for lookup value, the array, and the type of match. Column position is 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have already done index, you can watch on previous videos. And like this is the theory, and the motivation is do as quickly as possible, practice, make a YouTube video and learn by doing. In next video we will learn index match. Thank you, stay tuned.